Vhuendi ha nnyi na nnyi vhu khou lavhelelwa u ḓo thoma u shuma matshelo nga lavhutanu. Izwi ndi ngamurahu ha tshiтерeke tshe, tsha, fhedza maduvha mavhili nga nwambo wa u gonyiswa ha mitengo ya zwivhaswa fhala Mbombela vunduni la Mpumalanga. Vha dzangano la dzithekhisi la Whitehazy vho fulufhedzisa u ḓo bvisa mathukhi e a vala bada uri vhuendi vhu mbo ḓi thoma u shuma matshelo.
We have there is the cell phone business and the furniture. We are selling furniture shops. We have 3 shops here. So since yesterday this mall is closed. We tried to come yesterday but we didn't find anything. Every road is closed. So we come today. It's the same story. Road is closed. There is no local taxi. So people is not coming inside. So it's affected our business because you see these days it's very struggle. Everything is high. Petrol is high. So we are just struggling. There's all shops is closed. So we don't know how we will survive this thing.
The second day now is a strike. So business already is very down. So this moment we can't pay in the rent. So we don't know how long is going to be that strike like that and how long we're going to be suffering for that.
Today, we just come, we think maybe we'll open, but I think the situation is still bad, and then we just keep the mall closed so that our mall is saved. But what maybe with the strike, those people, they're not coming here to vandalize or to do something, but the problem, they block the road, so we can't have a customer to come to the mall. So now their teenagers, they're crying because you see, if it's not strike, it's load shedding, it is affecting us.
We are cleaning the roads from 4 p.m. The buses will start operating and will be starting cleaning soon. We'll tell the taxi operators and buses not to operate today. Today we'll start cleaning from 4 p.m. Tomorrow morning all taxis will start operating.